What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Neil Key Trading. Today I'm going to show you how I made over $1,000 trading Nasdaq Futures in 45 minutes. Just real quick, here's the screenshot of today's trade. Today's the 15th. There's one trade, $1,007.20. So yeah, let's not waste too much time. Let's just jump right into the trade. So price action today was quite iffy with Monday, so I didn't really catch any inverses, and I did wake up late. I also had an exam today at 2 p.m. my time, so 3 p.m. New York time. So I really didn't want to trade too much today. I just wanted to meet my daily profit target of $150 so I can get that win on the day and it can count towards my payout. So pretty simple here. I just found this fair value gap that price was testing into. We did get an inverse followed by a large candle to the downside here, leading me to believe that we would see more selling out of this fair value gap. So we had this one get created, and this was the one that I was looking at for pretty much all of my trade. As you can see, price really tried to inverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and eventually I did get some slippage down to this sell side. I did want to see this trendline liquidity get taken out. We did take out this one target before making this move, but I wanted to see this draw and this draw get taken out. I think, yeah, we did end up taking it out in after hours, but on the day itself, we did not get to reach those levels. Almost did reach this draw, but so yeah, I sat through this trade for a while. I was just kind of dancing around in profit before we got this large move up. So typically I would have set stops at break even, but I had seen that this was a strong power of 3, so we have accumulation here. We manipulated these highs, all of these highs, so we manipulated that, and I expected to see distribution back down after I saw this large red candle back in the green and put me in profit. I expected a CISD at this level, along with continuation down to this liquidity, and what did we get? Got more than that. So CISD, so price accumulated here. We accumulated a lot of orders. We manipulated these highs that were created. So these highs were manipulated, and eventually we got the CISD to the downside and managed to close in profit for $1,000. But this trade was very choppy. It's not typically what I take. I like trading inversion fair value gaps, but we had none on the day, not even here to up to these internal highs. We barely had one here. We had a couple here, but again, I had my exam. I just wanted to reach my profit target on the day. I did and more, so I'm not going to complain. Yeah, this isn't really the model I trade. I'm really good at being able to identify when we're moving to which point of liquidity, and I decided to trade the fair value gap rejection along with the CISD, which worked out really well. It just took a very long time, and it just wasn't very comfortable, especially holding through. Okay, so I was in profit already $600. Seeing it get taken away and going 50 points out of my direction and another like almost $600 out of my direction was kind of rough, especially considering that we were only 6 points away from me getting stopped out. This very well could have stopped me out, but we didn't get the CISD. We did get the inverse, but no CISD. So this was a nice draw on liquidity getting swept, which worked out well with accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So that was the trade on the day. Nothing too crazy. I am finally done with the semester. Can focus fully on the charts, the markets, pumping out content for you guys. I'm going to be going home today, so I won't be at my apartment. I'll be at my mom's house, and sometimes I'll be recording from my dad's house. But do not worry, the audio quality may be trashy, but the content is still going to be there. I will still be posting daily recaps. If my computer is not going to act slow, I would be glad to trade recaps because I have a lot more time now. As of late, I've seen your guys' comments. Everyone says do live trade, show yourself trading live. show what you're thinking, not just the trade recap. Because in retrospect, everyone seems like they're an amazing trader, but being able to do well in front of the camera live is what separates you. And I've not done that in a while, so I do have the time to do that now. So stay tuned for that. Discord will be coming out soon. I have been working on it. I need to just finish up adding all these bots and need to do restrictions on roles and all that. I just want to post there. I just want it to be like a general chat full of my watchers, my regulars, and then I want it to be a place where we can share ideas, share trades, and have education on there. Have my educational content stay on there. So do stay tuned for that. But overall, thank you guys for watching. Trade well this week. I'll probably post tomorrow if I take a trade. And yeah, be patient, be humble. See you in the next one.